What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. Check it out, man. It's my first time riding an electric motorcycle. So this company here, Aipas, contacted me and said, you know what? We like your channel and we like your videos. We're going to send you one of these bikes for free, and we want you to do a legitimate review of it on your YouTube channel. And I said, hell yeah, let's go. Anyway, got some cool specs on this bike. Let me go ahead and talk to you about those specs. And then after that, we're going to be taking this on those real roads over there, where this thing pushes 50 miles an hour. Can you believe that? Right over here, this thing right here, this monster of a motor pumps out 4,000 watts. Can you believe that? This battery pack is a 28 amp hour battery pack, and they claim it'll do up to 60 miles on a full charge. This is not an e-bike, my friends. This is legitimately a motorcycle. Look, it does not have pedals, okay? It's got a foot peg. It's got another foot peg on the other side. You sit on it like a regular motorcycle. It even has a key where you can remove and it turns it off. Put the key back in, turn it around, the dial turns on, and then it has 3 different modes, 1, 2, and 3. Right now it's in mode 1, now it's in mode 2, and if you put it in mode 3, maximum 50 miles an hour. You get a little honk, and you also get turn signals. Check it out. Pretty neat, right? So it's a legit motorcycle. And then in the front, you get a light. When you're riding at night, this should work out pretty cool. Other features, we got hydraulic brakes in the back. These are pretty thick. Hydraulic brakes in the front. And then the suspension, believe it or not, works just like a real motorcycle. Like when you're sitting on this thing, I swear to you, it feels just like a motorcycle. Anyway, enough talking. Let's go ahead and rip this thing around. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get used to this bike because, as you can see here, I don't have my gloves. I don't have a motorcycle jacket, but I have my full face helmet on. Okay, so I did something right. But anyway, it's so weird riding this thing because I'm so used to like e-bikes and stuff, right? This thing is so cool. It's a motorcycle, and here I am riding it inside of a park. So I'm going to treat this bike as I would an actual motorcycle. So at the moment, I am pinned, doing 36 miles an hour in mode number 1. Holy shit, this thing has some get up and go. My goodness, the amount of acceleration this thing has rivals that of, like, I would say a little bit. I mean, if I were to compare this to like a 400, off the line, I think this might have more power. Let me go ahead and put it in mode number 3 right now and punch this thing. Alright, now we're in mode number 3. So I gotta look behind me, see if anybody's coming. Alright. Whoa! Holy shit! Oh my god! Don't pin this thing! Don't pin this thing! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was fucking hilarious! Oh my god. I'm in mode number 3 and I pinned this thing and the whole front wheel came up. Yeah, guys, this has way more power than a 400, I think. Now I'm afraid to do that again. I don't know what's going to happen if I do it again, so I'm just not going to try. But we're doing 43 miles an hour. Wow, I should have worn my full jacket as well as some gloves, because now I'm legit scared. Wow. 47 miles an hour, 48, 49. Wow, holy macro. This is like legit the fastest e-bike I've ever ridden in my entire life. And I've ridden crazy motorcycles on this channel, guys. You already know that. My last motorcycle was an RSV4, 200 and something horsepower. That bike does close to 200 miles an hour, but I'm more scared on this than I am on that. Can you believe it? Holy shit. Wow. Crazy power, man. Oh man, I'm keeping up with cars on the road. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Oh, I've never had this much fun on a motorcycle in my life. But here I am riding an electric motorcycle. Oh, this is crazy. Alright, now I got it pinned. 49 miles an hour and I just overtook cars. I'm legit doing 50 miles an hour, 51, 52. 52 miles an hour. Wow. I am faster than anything on the road right now. Like legit, I passed those cars like they were standing still. Wow, there's no one behind me. Everybody's doing like an average of like 35 miles an hour. And here I am with an electric e-bike, I was about to say e-bike, with an electric motorcycle doing 50 something miles an hour and legitimately being scared for my life. Like, what the hell am I doing? Wow. Okay, we have turn signals. We're gonna go ahead and use that turn signal. I doubt anyone's gonna see it, but anyway, let's go ahead and use it anyways because it's a motorcycle. Why not? Oh, I'm having fun. I'm having too much fun, actually. We're gonna pull over here and go into this parking lot because I really need to collect my thoughts and slow down for a little bit. This bike deserves respect, man, just like a regular motorcycle. Look at this thing. Holy crap, guys. I can't believe this. I'm just awestruck at how awesome this little bike is. Okay, you know what? We're gonna go to... Oops, I hit the honk. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go on... Not number 1, but I think we're gonna put it on number 2. All right. I'm gonna ride this bike, but I'm gonna ride it like a normal person. And I think what we're also gonna do is we're gonna take it off-road because I want to see what this bike is like off-road. I wonder where I could take it off-road. There's got to be like some kind of a dirt canyon road out here. I think I know where to go. Yeah, I think I got a good idea of where to take us. As far as stopping power is concerned, it's got really thick calipers. And I don't exactly know what the millimeters are for the calipers, but they are hydraulic. And so they stop you very well. No issues at all. But I'm not exactly sure what the tire traction level's like, so I'm kind of taking it easy around the turns. That guy I just passed by, he's like, what the hell was that, man? It is kind of noisy though, and I think it's mostly the chain that's making the noise. It sounds like a bike like this should sound like this. But as far as the weight is concerned, I think it's about 120 pounds. I'll leave a caption on the screen so this way you guys can see. Let's go ahead and talk about the overall riding quality and handling and all that other stuff. As far as stability is concerned, I'm not exactly sure as of yet. I don't know how to answer that question. Right now, when I'm riding it, so the road is a little bit bumpy, and I'm doing about 40-something miles an hour. As far as stability, I don't feel the bike wiggling around, but it doesn't feel planted like a motorcycle should. It feels it still feels like I'm riding a lightweight e-bike or lightweight motorcycle. All right, I think I found the path, but it's a downhill, so I don't know how this is going to work. We're gonna go down slowly. Uh-oh. We got homeless people? What is this? Sorry, bud. All right, hanging out in the middle of the road. But anyway, we are off-roading now. So, let's have some fun. All right, I'm gonna get up just in case I lose traction. I'm actually next to sit. Oh, this is legit. All right. Check this out, man. We are off-roading. Yeah. Now this bike is starting to make a little bit of sense. Woohoo! This is fun. All right, we got challenging section of the road here. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Obviously, I mean, yeah, it is a motorcycle, right? But it does not have ABS. It does not have traction control. It is, in that sense, it's very rudimentary. Oh, wow. Okay, where the hell am I? I'm like on the train tracks. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go this way. I never thought I would enjoy something like this, but this is so much fun. And considering, like, you don't have to pay insurance, you don't have to pay, like, registration fees or any of that nonsense. Just buy one of these and start riding it. When will these things become illegal to ride? I mean, I think they are already, because I think Class 3 is the most powerful e-bike you can ride at the moment. Those go up to 28 miles an hour. On my tech channel, I review them all day, every single day. And so, but now they're like getting really, really powerful. Holy macro. Let's see what it's like going up this hill. It's a dirt hill, but we're gonna do it. It's got the power to handle it for sure. Wow. And that's a steep hill. Shit, man. Look at that. It went up the steep hill, no problems. It's got 255 Newton meters of torque, I think. Let me just go ahead and verify it. Let me see how much torque this thing has. 255 Newton meters of torque over 70-degree gradient. Ho, ho, ho. That was legit. Let's go back down. And, wow. Good front brakes. Oh. Legit. The seat is like stiff, really, really stiff. Like you're sitting on a piece of wood. It's not really soft. But really, who cares? You're not going to buy it because the seat's comfortable. You want this thing to be fun as hell. And it delivers on that promise. Suspension does a really, really good job of smoothing out a lot of these bumps. Yeah. So as far as the price is concerned, out the door on their website, it's $1,100 at the moment. How is it so inexpensive? If you buy a mini moto right now, I think it'll cost you like $3 grand for a good Honda mini moto. I don't know what they go for, to be honest with you. I'm just guesstimating. But nowadays you can get an electric one. Charge it back when you get home. 50 miles an hour. Oh my God. 50 miles an hour so quickly. A mini moto will not go this fast, guys. This is way faster than a mini moto. It's right up there with like a 400. It'll keep up with a 400 off the line easily, easily. I usually sell these bikes after I'm done reviewing them on my tech channel, but I might just keep this one for myself. All right, we got a nice little gradient up here. Take it full power. Yeah! This is legit fun, guys. Wow. You do not want to buy this for your kid. If you're thinking to yourself, oh, he's 15 years old, I'm going to get it for his 16th birthday. Do not. Do not buy it for your kid. Unless you're buying one for yourself as well, and you're only going to be riding with him, supervised. That is the only way. It's legit a motorcycle. It's as fast as a 400, And it's faster than any mini moto out there. Okay? That should tell you something. Very fast, a very powerful bike. Do not recommend it for kids. Adults only. Preferably if you have a license. Because if you don't, and you ride this thing, you might hurt yourself. Watch some of my videos before you actually go out there. Oh. Oh yeah, it handles so well, man. It went over some really, really terrible bumps, and this thing took it like a champ. Where are we? Where does this go? This is a lot of fun. I just want to keep doing this, but I want to know where I'm going first. All right, I think we are at the end. This Tesla behind me is probably like, what the hell? This does not get boring, guys. This just does not get boring. Oh my goodness, how much fun. And you know what the best part is? I'm at a park right now. It's like legit, I'm at a park. And I can ride this thing, not only in the canyons, but also on the street doing 50 miles an hour. But then, whenever I want to chill, just ride it at 10 miles an hour inside the park and no one bats an eye. Crazy, isn't it? Yeah, exactly, it's a motorcycle. If you got a kid like that, please do not buy him this thing. It's ridiculous. Anyway, guys, I absolutely had an unbelievable time riding this Aipas AMPX motorcycle. I highly recommend this thing. Link down below. See you on the next one. Peace.